Hello, I'm Magda from I'm a Little Creature. I've got the latest June KnitCrate membership, so now I'll show you what's inside. I'm opening this package. It's time for reveal. Let's look what's inside. You see theme for June 2020, Getaway. Let's look at this. This month's theme is Getaway. Sensory delight awaits on every horizon. Rich spices and strong painted hues mingle with softer clay, stone and alabaster. The yarns and patterns in your KnitCrate membership and SockCrate membership will whisk you off on a dream yarn getaway. And this month means June. KnitCrate partnered with the tiny lipsy of TL Yarn Crafts. It's a Tunisian crochet designer. You may read this. Here's a link to her blog, tlyarncrafts.com. Let's look at the yarn. I love this color, beautiful. I'll tell you about this colorways in a moment. So I have a colorway Haze, 34% cotton, 35 linen, 19 lyocell. It's a kind of tencel, 11 of nylon, and 351 yard per 100 gram. We have Odin Wool's Interlock by KnitCrate, TL Yarn Crafts collaboration. Beautiful yarn. I love this. It's a kind of a chain yarn, a thin cord. Look at this closer. Beautiful tone, lavender. I like it very much. It has also light shade of a gray. Really soft. I need to think what to do with this yarn. And what about these colorways? The subscribers could get Energize Me. It's a pigment, the kind of orange tones. A Chill Out. This is Haze. I have got multi-toned lavender and a light shade of gray. And the all natural colorway Beaches. Creamy colors with cool beige tones. As for the patterns, in this card I showed you there is a link to digital patterns. Knit pattern, it's a bag. Adventure is Out There by Katrina Walser. And Tunisian crochet pattern, Getaway Shawl by Tanya Lipsy from TL Yarn Crafts. You see an extra. It's really useful pins. Let's look at this yarn once again. Really cool. I love purples, lavender, so it's my color. I thank you very much, KnitCrate, for sending me this package. So if you want to be a KnitCrate subscriber for the first time, I can give you a coupon code. Below the video you'll find a link. When you click this link and you buy something, you may use my coupon code AMILC20 to get 20% of your first crate. So I highly recommend you to try these beautiful yarns. You see, they are great. You may choose your color vibe. And it's great that you may choose your color vibe if you like energizing colors, or chill out, or all natural, or anything goes if you don't like to choose. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe my channel. Thank you for thumbs up, and see you in next videos. Bye.